The number 4 tip in maximizing a sales price of a property is the art of negotiation. It is critical that the person representing you or the price you're trying to get on your home knows how to negotiate, knows how to communicate to be able to move the price up to where you want to go. Now, how do you stand there and know if that's going to happen? And all I can tell you is looking at track record is critical. Think about it this way. If you had to have a life-saving surgery, are you going to hire a doctor who has not yet performed a surgery on his own on a table, or do you want someone who's done hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands of them? Do the research. You have the right to ask questions of how many deals have you done in your career? How long have you been in the business? How many deals have you closed? Find out the answers to those questions, and that's going to give you some strong clues of how good of a negotiator you have hired for you to represent you in the sale of your home. For the other 4 parts of this series, just check out my page. And if you're curious how to maximize the sales price on your property, you can also go to edsellmyhomefast.com. That's edsellmyhomefast.com.